For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
A rare red panda has been born at a Berlin zoo only a few months after its parents were brought to the German capital from India. The little cub was first discovered on June 6th in its mother's cave at the Tierpark Zoo, and it is now the size of a guinea pig. Recently, one of the staff spotted a cub inside its mother's cave and then discovered the details about the baby red panda. We weren't sure if Shine was really pregnant, but we were hoping for it. The animals came to Germany only in February, so we didn't know them too well. The red pandas must have mated after their arrival, and we were happy when we discovered the cub. Animal's gender is yet to be identified, and also it has not yet been named. As per the reports, it is the 10th red panda to be raised in Berlin as part of an international breeding program to help protect the endangered animals. The red panda is originally a native to the eastern Himalayas and southwestern China. The cub's parents are named as Mother Shine, a 6-year-old, and Father Joel, a 5-year-old, who are originally from the Padmaja Naidu Himalayan Zoological Park in Darjeeling. According to zoo authorities, the animals are comfortable in their new surroundings.
I am delighted that the two have settled in so well, and with that cute offspring, we can now raise the awareness of even more people for the protection of this highly endangered species.
Talking about these rare red pandas, they belong to mammal species and are native to eastern Himalayan and southwestern China. Also, these animals are related to giant panda. These red pandas are reddish brown fur, a long bushy tail, and has a wobbling walking style due to its shorter front legs. These cute red pandas feed mainly on bamboo. Based on studies, these red pandas' genetic analysis indicate that there are probably two distinct red panda species, which are the Chinese red panda and the Himalayan red panda, which genetically diverged 0.22 million years ago. These red pandas are adapted to temperate forests of Himalayas and ranges from the foothills of western Nepal and China in the east. These red pandas are territorial, and most of the time it is solitary except during the mating season. Also, it has been reported that it sleeps on branches or in tree hollows during the day and increasing its activity in the late afternoon and early evening hours. Predators of the red panda include the snow leopard, mustelids, and humans, and in case they find that they are threatened or sense danger, they try to escape by climbing a rock column or tree. Red pandas are able to reproduce at around 18 months of age and are fully mature at 2 to 3 years. A red panda's lifespan is mostly between 8 and 10 years, but individuals have been known to reach 15 years.